Welcome to the Collective Insurance Group. Our mission is to educate, impact, and empower through investment strategies and custom wealth building techniques. Our motto, wealth is the key to success. We have partnered with one of the #1 insurance companies in the world who has been on the Forbes list from 2022 to 2024. Our founder, Mr. Art L. Williams, founded the company in 1977. It is now one of the largest financial service sales force in the United States. Approximately 5 million lives insured and $917 billion in force, paid $35 billion in cumulative death claims as of 2022, and is now the largest investment sales force, over 226,000 licensed agent reps. Okay, so what we do, it's two things, and it's very simple. We offer life insurance and we offer a business opportunity. Okay, life insurance is one, business opportunity is number two. I want you to think about this: a two-parent household with a child, and God forbid something happens to one of these individuals on the screen, right? They're both bringing in $3,500 and everything is going smooth, everything is going great, they're taking care of their bills and responsibilities, and all of a sudden one of the parents are no longer alive, no longer available. Now that income is now knocked down to $3,500. Life insurance is to protect your loved ones once you are gone, okay? So what you hear most time is people say they have a whole life, a universal life, or a variable life policy, and they think that they're able to pull money from that, which is true. But what happens is a lot of times you're paying into the monthly, and let's say John and Mary are both 35 years old, they're paying $225 a month, and at the age of 65, this policy will only be worth $76,000, and you're going to have to pay a percentage to pull your own money, and you're going to pay interest on the money once it is pulled. Not to say anything negative or bad, but we like to tell you buy term and invest the difference. Okay, John and Mary both 35, as you see on the right hand side. We get them an $80 monthly premium that's going to cover them for $250,000 in case something happens. That means if one of them were to pass away, the other one would receive $250,000 to be able to hold them over for a while so they can get on their feet, they can take care of finances, they can take care of their family, to do all those things. We're able to get them a policy at $80, and we're going to help them invest the other $145 into other types of savings accounts that are going to accumulate and build wealth. Same $225, we're just teaching them how to do it a different way. So what that means, our goal is help families become properly protected, debt-free, and financially independent. We educate families by teaching them how money works. We help families build and create residual income with our business opportunity. All right, so creating generational wealth. 102 million Americans have no life insurance. 42% of Americans say their household would face financial hardship within 6 months should a wage earner die unexpectedly. In 2021, the likelihood to buy life insurance due to COVID-19 is higher for millennials, African Americans, and men. Okay, so 35-year level term insurance. A male at 30, $750,000, female $750,000, a child $25,000. Okay, that's going to be the coverage amount. And we can get this person a $200 monthly premium. That's $6 a day. That's a cup of Starbucks coffee to protect your family and start creating generational wealth. Now, how we get paid. I am a life agent. You will become a life agent. You will work in the agency with us as an independent life agent in your city, state, wherever you're located. And how we get paid is very, very simple. If you have a calculator, go ahead and pull that out so you can keep up with the numbers, right? Let's say we insure a client. It's a husband and a wife and their two children. We get them at a $200 monthly policy, and our agent, us as a life agent, we're going to get $200 times 12 months, which is $2,400. Now, you come in as a brand new agent, you don't want to build a team, you don't want to do anything, you don't want to grow an agency, you just want to sell insurance policies. You're going to be at a 25% commission, which is going to give you a $600 payout. Now, there's no cap to how many policies you can do. There's no cap to how much money you want to make. This is completely up to you. You can work from wherever. You can make as much. You can do as much work or as little work as you choose. But I want you to see the kind of example. On a $200 policy, that's going to get you a $600 commission. Now, take out your calculator and do 600 times 5. 600 times 5 is $3,000. That means you insured 5 families this month and you made $3,000. We get direct deposit and next day payouts. Again, no team build or recruiting is required for this level, okay? So I want to show you the possibilities. Now, if you're someone who says, hey, Rhonda, I love that idea, but I want to make more money, okay? Now, when you get into it, you can see there's a 35%, there's a 50, a 60, a 70, and 110. For those commissional payouts, you would have to start building your agency, okay? So at the 35% level, you're gonna need to enroll 3 agents in your agency. Now you start to make 35% of your policies. Now the next one is 6 agents, it's 50%. Now you're gonna make 50% of every single policy that you write, 60, 70, and 110%. This side is completely optional. You can choose to do it, you can choose not to do it. Again, if you want to just do the 25% commission, no team build, no recruiting, no worries, no problems, you just have to get the 25% commission and that will be it. When you decide to go to the next level and you start to really build this thing out, you will go and start enrolling agents into your business, and then that's how you get the higher percentage on the payouts, okay? Now, we get paid 7 different ways, but this does require team builds. This does require you to recruit and refer your friends, family, strangers, whoever that might be, and that's how you start to generate more income. But if you choose not to, the 25% commission requires you to do no team build, no recruiting, okay? Now, the first step is going to be you're going to pay $124, and that's going to be to obtain your state license and investment license. You have to be a U.S. citizen, 18 years of age, and you have to be able to pass a background check. Once you pass your background check and you get licensed, you will get reimbursed $100. So then you only came out of pocket $24. Okay? After we do that, we're going to start and we're going to design your financial game plan. Then we're going to help you get your license. So you're going to start your pre-licensing course. You're going to go and shadow other agents. You're going to be able to get mentored. So as soon as your license hits, you're going to be able to go and fly on your own, be able to do this by yourself. Now, during the time of your pre-licensing, for every policy that you write, you're going to make $200 that's going to sit in the bank until you get licensed, and then they're going to release the funds to you, okay? The only business expense is a $25 a month software subscription that gives you access to the software that you need to write policies, okay? Now, if you don't believe me, again, my name is Rhonda. As you can see on the screen, I have my Department of Insurance license in the state of Texas. My information is on the screen. You see where I took my test on the left side, and then you see my license on the right side. This is exactly what we're gonna help you get. So you're asking, okay, what is the 124 for? This is gonna get your state application, your exam fee, your processing fee, your appointment fee, and your fingerprints. Typical cost to become a licensed agent, it's normally around $300 to $400. You're only paying $124, and you're getting $100 of that back once your background clears and you pass your test. Okay, we're gonna help you to study. We're gonna give you training guides and training materials and virtual classes, in-person classes. We want you to pass your test. So don't be worried, don't be nervous, don't be afraid. We're going to make sure that you get the test and you pass and get your license. The ultimate business support system for the $25 a month, that's gonna be able to get you discounts. That's gonna get your website, your business reports, your live and on-demand video training. It's gonna help you with everything that you need to run a successful business. You don't have to worry about anything else additional outside of the $25. All right, guys, so this is the Collective Insurance Group. If you would like to apply, go ahead and fill the form out below. Go ahead and put your information in, and then you will hear back from a recruiter or myself and get you into the system and get you started today. I'll talk to you soon.